Welcome to Joel's Garage Gear. Today we're going in depth on how to use our professional car tyre changer. Whether you change tyres for a living or you're a hobbyist like us, this machine can do it all. Whether you're installing it yourself or having it professionally installed, there's an in-depth guide in the supplied booklet. Either way, once it's fitted into position, you're ready to start fitting tyres. Before mounting the wheel to the machine, there is two things we need to know. The first one being, is the wheel standard fit or reverse fit? You can check this using the diagram on the screen. Secondly, are we going to clamp the wheel from the inside or the outside? On this machine, you can safely do either depending on the wheel design and if you're trying to protect the finish. For this wheel with a larger tyre, we're going to clamp from the inside. Now, not all tyres are as easy to change as that, and that's where this machine really shines. As you can see, we have a bunch of auxiliary arms here, and they are going to assist even with the most difficult tyres to change.